Hi viewers, today we have to learn one important problem from 10th class first chapter, that is from logarithms. Okay, it is very important. Once you see, does log 0 base 2 exist? Give reasons. It is very important question in 10th class. Okay, before going the solution, once I will ask you, if you not subscribed still now my channel, just you subscribe now and click on the bell symbol to get updates. Thank you very much. And now you see, does exist log 0, that means log 0 base 2 exist? Give reasons. How can we give answer once you see this? The given is log 0 base 2. Suppose we have to assume this value is x. That means let log 0 base 2 is equal to x. Okay, now it is in logarithmic form, and now we have to change into exponential form. What is its exponential form? 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. And once we have to remind the definition of logarithms. What is the definition? If a comma n belongs to positive real numbers, and a is not equal to 1, then a to the power of x is equal to n. A to the power of x is equal to n implies log n base a is equal to x. This is the logarithmic definition. Once you observe here this condition and this condition, these are two conditions are there in this definition. The first condition, a comma n belongs to r plus, that means positive real numbers, and the second condition, a is not equal to 1. Now we have to compare this and this one. Okay, by comparing, in base of a, that means in base a is equal to 2 is there, and in place of x only, and in place of n 0. You observe this, in place of n 0. Of course you can compare this logarithmic form with this logarithmic form also, no problem. Here a is equal to 2, n is equal to 0, x is equal to x. Here this one n, this one n. Okay, so n is equal to 0. But our definition said that a comma n belongs to r plus positive real numbers. Okay, now we know that 0 is not a positive real number. Of course it is a real number, but it is not positive. That's why this form or logarithmic form or exponential form is not satisfying the condition of definition. So it does not exist. We can say it does not exist because of it is not satisfying the condition which is in definition of logarithm. This is one thing. Also you observe here. Also you observe the second thing. 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. For example, x value, you take any natural number or any integers or any real numbers. For any real number of x or for any integer of x, can 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of x is equal to 0? Once we have to try. 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2 only. 2 to the power of 2 equal to 4. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Like this one. Okay, its value does not equal to 0. Also you take 2 to the power of 0, no problem. We know it is, we know very well its value is 1. 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And 2 to the power of minus 1 also you take 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 0.25. It does not equal to 0. 2 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. It is not equal to 0. And you take any negative integer also in place of x, we can't get 0 as the value of 2 to the power of x. That is why we can say here log 0 base 2 does not exist. This is the answer. And the reasons. The first reason is this one. By the definition, the given logarithmic form is not satisfying the condition. The second reason also we can say, for any value of x, that means for any integer of x or for any real number of x, 2 to the power of x does not equal to 0. These are the two reasons. We have to write the two reasons. Okay, this is the very important problem in logarithm. Thank you. In the next video, in the next video about logarithms, some more problems we can learn. Thank you.